Own a goat farm with 150 goats for 2 lakhs rupees. One can get 2 types of regular income, one monthly and another yearly. One can earn up to 25,000 rupees every month and 5 lakhs rupees every year. Let us hear Rajani's testimonial from one of our goat farm owners.
Hi, I'm Rajani from Bangalore. I purchased 1 unit of goat from Gem Farms for 2 lakh rupees last month. I started getting the monthly income debited to my bank. I recommended this as a good opportunity for individuals to have another source of income. One can contact me for any guidance on this. My number is 9986006862. Thank you.
Scale up your monthly income by owning goat farm. Improve your financial status. A stable income provides a steady stream of money. One can feel more in control of their finances. One can lead to a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. Special offer: 50,000 rupees off. For a limited units only. After this offer, 1 unit of goat farm will be 2 lakhs 50,000 rupees. Bank FD versus goat farm with 2 lakhs capital with monthly payout for 5 years. The returns from bank fixed deposit with monthly payout for 5 years will be total 69,621 rupees. The returns from goat farm, the total monthly payouts for 5 years will be 13 lakhs 66,000 rupees. Exit. Bank FD versus goat farm. If you break the fixed deposit after 5th year, you are entitled to get the initial amount of 2 lakhs rupees only. If you exit from the goat farm after 5th year, you can get 7 lakhs 50,000 rupees. For guidance, contact one of our goat farm owner Rajani. 9986006862. Thank you.